of what is believed to be the murder weapon, and surveillance videos show a man matching his description before and after the attack, including outside the Hilton where Thompson was shot in the back. There is a key difference between the state charges being heard today and the federal charges, and the state arguing the shooting was an act of terrorism. Federal charges open the possibility of the death penalty. And Alice, you were in court for those federal charges.
That's right, Marion. I'm looking at that video. It's so interesting. They have him shackled, it looks like, for the hands. When he was brought into federal court last week for his initial appearance on that federal criminal complaint, his hands were not shackled. He entered the courtroom dressed similarly in a sweater, the white button down, because they are allowed to change out of their prison clothes into more formal clothes for their court appearance if they want to. So very similar there. He's wearing the sweater, looks like khaki pants, and the shirt there as well. Let's get right out to Lisa Rosner. She's live outside the courthouse in Lower Manhattan. Lisa, what's going on there?
Well, Alice, as you mentioned, Mangione just pleaded not guilty, but outside the courthouse, behind all the media where I was standing, there's about 24 people here standing in support of Mangione, chanting that there should be justice for Luigi. But right now, what we know, Allie Bauman is inside the courtroom. She tells us this is wrapping up, but just now, Mangione's attorney made a couple of requests to the judge, including requesting immediate expedited discovery in this case, saying that the people have had this case for almost 3 weeks, and that was more than enough time to gather info, especially now that there are 2 proceedings happening. As we know, Mangione is charged 11 charges here in state court, but he also faces 4 federal counts, including stalking and murder, and that, if convicted on those counts, he would be eligible for the death penalty. Now, we know also from here inside state court, and just looking through Allie's very detailed notes, as I said, she is in court, we do know that Mangione, she said, was cooperative, and she